This video is about unboxing OnePlus S5 and OnePlus S5 Pro. Also discuss about some in-depth information of these two smartphones. OnePlus S5 has a 6.78-inch flat AMOLED screen with 1.5K resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. It is likely to ship with Android 15 based ColorOS 15. For optics, the perforated handset may be equipped with a 50 megapixel primary sensor paired with 8 megapixel and 2 megapixel sensors at the back. It is said to sport a 16 megapixel front camera for selfies. It will also feature a 6400 mAh battery which can deliver up to 23 hours of video playback. This means an increase of approximately 900 mAh over the 5500 mAh capacity of the OnePlus S4. On the other hand, the dual SIM Nano OnePlus S5 Pro run on Android 15, ColorOS 15.0 on top and feature a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus display with a 93.9% screen to body fit ratio, 450 ppi pixel density up to 1600 nits global peak brightness and up to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate. The handset have a metal middle frame and glass back. They include a 3-stage altar sight. For optics, the OnePlus S5 Pro has a identical triple rear camera setup, LED by a 50 megapixel primary sensor with OIS support. The camera setup also includes an 8 megapixel secondary sensor with autofocus and a 2 megapixel macro sensor. For selfies and video chats, they come up with a 16 megapixel sensor at the front. OnePlus S5 Pro has a 6400 mAh battery with 80 watt fast charging support. The battery is claimed to deliver up to 14 hours of continuous TikTok short video viewing time on a single charge. Besides, the handset measures 161.72 by 75.77 by 8.02 mm and weighs 207 grams.